What is up guys, bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at which are the 10 biggest cities in France by ascending order of population and how to pronounce them with the typical French pronunciation, the way the French people would say the name of these cities. At number 10, the smallest of the top 10 biggest cities in France with a population of 228,000 people, to the very north of the country, the northernmost big city in the country is Lille. Lille. At number 9, in the southwest of France, is Bordeaux, a city particularly famous for its wine production. Bordeaux, the X at the end of Bordeaux, is silent. At number 8 is a city on the Mediterranean coast in the beautiful region of Languedoc, nearing the Mediterranean Sea, beautiful city of Montpellier. The T in the middle of Montpellier is silent, so do not say Montpellier, but rather Montpellier. Then comes to the northeast of the country, the biggest city in Alsace wine region, a region nearing Germany, the German border, Strasbourg. The G at the end of Strasbourg is silent, so do not say Strasbourg, but rather Strasbourg. Number 6, with a population of 277,000 people on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean, nearing Brittany, is Nantes. The S at the end of Nantes is silent, so do not pronounce it. Note that the populations that are quoted here are the populations within the walls of the cities. These cities, obviously urban areas surrounding them. We're not counting the whole urban areas around those cities, but rather strictly the cities themselves. If you count the whole population of the urban areas, the ranking of those cities could vary, and of course the population as well. On the Mediterranean coast, in the Côte d'Azur, on the French Riviera, is Nice. Of course it's not nice, but Nice. It is a nice city, but how to pronounce it is Nice. Then comes to the southwest, the beautiful city I grew up in, that is called Toulouse. Toulouse. Then comes Lyon. We are within the top 3 here, so really large cities. The city of Lyon. Lyon to the east of the country, Lyon. Then comes Marseille, the biggest city on the Mediterranean coast, the second biggest city in France, Marseille. Marseille. Marseille, famous, between many other things, for its football team that is called the Olympique de Marseille. And of course Paris is also famous for its football team, but also many other things. As we know, the Eiffel Tower and all of these beautiful monuments. How do you say Paris in French? Paris. Paris, with a very large population of over 2 million people strictly within the walls of Paris. Of course, the urban area has more than 10 million people. Paris. Paris. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And here are many more videos if you like to learn more about French cities, but also useful French words that you may want to hear and learn the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.